Hello, we are Matthew, Prerna, Anku, Abhishek, and Joseph from Team A, and we are going to present a service which will help health tech companies in India and abroad to stay compliant to the data protection laws. In India, there was no data protection policy till now for health tech data, but now the government is proposing a policy called Disha. Just like in the US, there's the HIPAA policy, and companies have to have separate teams to make sure that their training data is not personally identifiable. So, to make sure that their processes are compliant. Just like that, India will need that revolution too. There's a lot of innovation in India, but not enough awareness towards data protection. Hence, when the Disha policy is out, such a service which will help companies build compliant health tech products will be in much demand.
We will help you design a compliant product architecture. We use cutting edge AI and ML technology to scan data and make it compliant to the laws mentioned under this policy. We design cloud storage technologies that are in accordance with Disha. Thus, we will make sure that the processes in health tech product stay compliant to the Disha laws.
The market share of the entire world is concentrated over South America, North America, and the Asian subcontinent. Of that, 70% and hence the expertise and infrastructure lies in North America. This highlights the need of a reliable service to penetrate and grow the market size in India as well.
Our business model works on bridging the gap between a product as prototype and a prototype in the market which is ready to use. We are leveraging our expertise in compliance and penetrating the market to allow use of working to the product developers as they can focus on product development and leave the regulatory compliance to us. We work with government authorities having jurisdiction and stakeholders to design a regulatory framework as well as the manufacturers so as to fall within that framework, which is compliance with the local as well as the global requirements. The manufacturer with our service will be ready to launch their product in different market without going back to fill the regulatory gaps by leveraging our understanding of the system coupled with relevant expertise in medical devices. We wish to localize our services and deliver a personalized approach to solve their health tech compliance challenges and hence avoid costly errors in design phase. For our partnership, we will have a very good partnership with the government, especially the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. There are other stakeholders as well as involved, which will be the various data privacy companies, and that would further help us to come up with a service to protect data privacy in the health tech domain.